Here is a question from arithmetic progression. A question paper consists of 15 questions in total. Each question carries marks equal to the number of questions. If Danya answers the first 4 questions correctly, misses the next 2 questions, and answers all subsequent questions correctly, then find the total marks got by Danya using formula. Okay. Now let us solve what has been given here. AP. Here first question, second question, third question, fourth question up to 15 question. So number of terms of the AP is 1 to 15. Here first question carries 1 mark, second question 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark. Okay. Here n is 15. To find out sum of all the terms, total marks. This is total marks given in the question paper minus 5 plus 6 because she missed these 2 questions. She answered 4 questions correctly, misses next 2 questions, means 5th question, 6th question she misses. Now we have to find out this one. Up to 15, sum of 15 terms. Here there are 3 formula, to find Sn. Sum of terms. One is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You need not require to use this formula since here common difference is 1, it will be cumbersome. Now next formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. This one you can use. Here n is 15, a is 1, l is 15. Then you have to subtract 11 from that one. But still another formula is very useful here. This formula I have n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula I have used here. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n is equal to 15. We know that the sum of n terms of an AP is n into n plus 1 by 2. So S15 is n is equal to 15. 15 plus 1 by 2. So S15 is equal to 15 into 16 by 2. This is 8. 15 8s how much? 120. This is the total marks of the question paper, not Danya. Okay. Here we have to find out sum of 15 terms minus 5th question 6th mark. 5 mark question plus 6 mark question. So up to here we have already find out by using the formula, that is 120. 5 plus 6 is 11. 120 minus 11 is 109. So total marks got by Danya is 109 out of 120.